Here's how to manually install plugins in OBS Studio. Go to the OBS project website or the plugins page and download the plugin as a zip file. Once downloaded, right-click the zip file and extract it. Inside, you will find two folders, Data and OBS Plugins. Open a second File Explorer window and navigate to where OBS Studio is installed on your computer, usually in Program Files. With both windows open, drag the Data folder and the OBS Plugins folder from your extracted plugin directly into the OBS Studio installation folder. If prompted to replace or merge files, click Yes. This will not delete any existing plugins. Now open OBS Studio. Depending on the plugin type, it will appear in different places. Source plugins appear when you right-click in the Sources panel and click Add Source. Check there for your newly installed plugin. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.